Hello Android users, if you want your font to be bold, if you think it is pretty light to see or something you want it to change, then let me tell you where to go. Tap on settings, scroll it down, tap on display, you can search display as well, and then once you tap on display you have to scroll again and go to font size and style. Once you tap there, you will see option of bold directly right in front of your eyes, which you can see on the screen, and make that button blue by clicking on it in front of bold font. Right, once you do it, you can see what is the difference, and it is being shown on the in this video. What is the difference when you bold it and when you don't bold it? So I find both comfortable, but see how it feels to you. Open other apps and try to do it. Try to understand how your eyes feel, right? Rest topics I have covered in other videos. Check it out, and till then, have a good time with your phone. See you in the next video. Ta-da.